Take a look at this new 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the option package discount, GVWR, 7,200 pounds, 3266 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, onyx black, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, cocoa dune, cloth seat trim, audio system, 8 inches diagonal color touchscreen with interlining, MFM series SIM HD, engine, 5.3L Ecotec 3 with active fuel management, transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, full value package, tires, P265/65R18 all-terrain, white outline leather and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-852-1606 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.